Sunita Williams peered out of the observation window, her gaze sweeping across the endless horizon of stars. Beside her, Butch Wilmore worked tirelessly, his mind focused on the problem at hand.
The spaceship is not working.
He exclaimed, frustration evident in his voice.
There is a leak.
Sunita replied, a hint of concern in her eyes.
We can't go home yet.
Sunita and Butch adjusted to their new reality, maintaining their spirits as they continued their scientific experiments and daily tasks.
We're going to get through this.
Butch said with determination.
We've got a great team working on it back home.
Sunita added, her voice steady and encouraging. Anne McClain, the pilot of Crew 10, communicated with her team on the ISS.
We are coming to get you.
Anne announced, her voice filled with confidence and relief. The spaceship docked smoothly, and the crew prepared for the long-awaited journey home. Sunita and Butch gathered their essentials, exchanging excited yet apprehensive glances.
It's finally happening,
Sunita said, her voice tinged with emotion.
Let's get home.
Butch replied, a smile spreading across his face. The re-entry was smooth, the spacecraft slicing through the atmosphere with precision.
We did it.
Butch exclaimed as their spacecraft slowed its descent. Sunita looked out at the sprawling landscapes below, a sense of peace washing over her.
We're going home,
she said softly. Sunita and Butch emerged from the spacecraft, greeted by a team of jubilant colleagues and friends. Laughter and tears mingled as they reunited with their loved ones.
It's good to be back,
Butch said, his heart full of gratitude.
We stayed strong and worked as a team,
Sunita added, her smile radiant in the sunlight.